It's Margarita, and I am back with another review from my favorite clothing brand, Bombshell Sportswear.
Something that I see in you, I like that you know it too, the way that you do what you do.
Now, if you've been watching Instagram or the Bombshell website, you will know that 2 new drops have come out over the past couple of weeks. And I am not interested in either one. So this video is not about, I know y'all were probably hoping I would, but those styles are so ugly. Yes, you know I love the brand, but I just got to keep it real with you all. Those styles are hideous. I don't know if they're running out of ideas, but the leggings that they came out with that had like the skull and crossbones and the letters on the side of the leg, that just looked a little half-baked as far as the idea was concerned. And then the ones that dropped this week that have it's like I guess a marled or a heathered seamless collection, it just looks really cheap to me and overdone. So for the prices that they're asking, I have no interest in getting those. However, I do want to talk to you about some of my favorite pieces. So we're going to go with the neon zip top. Yes, I decided to not only demonstrate how the product looks on the video, but also wear it during the video. So because I have this in 2 colors, I figured I'd wear one and show the other. So the one I have on now is in Cloud. My other one is Ocean. So what makes it neon is literally the zipper. So I guess that's why they call it the neon zip top, because the colors of the fabric themselves are not neon. For reference, I wear a size small and I am a 32D in the bust. Bombshell typically caters to women who have a larger bust. So unless you have a larger bust, feel free to size down. You will have plenty of room in the tops. So as you can see, what I love is the way the sleeve kind of caps. So if you have a more defined upper body, it will curve and hug your muscles if you have them, or if you don't, just the top of your arm very nicely. It's a very feminine silhouette. I love how you can zip it up and down to adjust just how much cleavage or chest you want to show. And I love the marling in the fabric. So the fabric does have a marl in it. And these 2 colors, it's mainly blue, as you can see, but it's got like a darker shade interwoven, as well as this gray. It's light and dark at the same time. What I love about it is the construction. So it's got an elastic, as you can see, a fitted band, so it doesn't just fly around. So it's nice and stretchy. I love the fitted top, and I like how the neck kind of funnels. It's not necessarily a turtleneck, more like a Nehru, for lack of a better comparison. Collar, if you remember those shirts that are collarless, but they don't flip down, they just kind of curl up. It's more like a Nehru collar in an athletic top form, and I love it. That's why I bought it in 2 colors. It comes in a couple other colors too, but I just thought that'd be way too redundant. I was torn about getting the black one, but I have enough black tops, and so I just figured if they come up with some more loud colors, maybe I'll get it. But I do love these and wanted to show. I love how it just look at it. It fits so nicely. Let me know, do you like the neon zip top? Because I absolutely love this. Also, if there are any other items, with the exception of the 2 that just dropped, that you'd like me to review, because I do have most of their collection, let me know in the comments. I am happy to do a video. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram, my handle is Margarita the Perfumista, just like it is here on YouTube. And until next time, I am Margarita, and you have an awesome day. Bye.
Something that I see in you, I like that you know it too, the way that you do what you do.